welcome to another episode of Drawing with Solomon. Today we're gonna make a gingerbread man. To begin, make sure your paper is standing up. Okay, we're gonna make 2 dots. Then put 2 dots in the middle.
Connect the dots with the circle.
Then connect the dots with the circle. Then you make a curved line like this. Then you make another curved line the other way. You make one straight line right there. Then you make another one. Then you make legs. Then you make another leg. Feather. Then you make circles for buttons. Then you make two other circles for eyes. Then 2 ovals for cheeks. Then a smile. Then squiggly lines to decorate the arms and legs. Then you make another one on the other arm. Then you make 2 other squiggly lines on the feet. And if you want to make a bow tie, you can. Now it's time to color. This is my gingerbread man. Bye. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.